Shut off all power to the unit at the service panel before you touch a single fastener. Start by finding the correct breaker labeled for the water heater and switch it fully to off. Then verify power is truly off using a non-contact voltage tester at the access panels and at the supply wires. Never trust a label alone. Close the cold supply valve, attach a garden hose to the drain valve, and open a nearby hot faucet to break the vacuum before draining. This keeps sediment moving out smoothly and prevents scalds. When removing element covers, pull back the insulation and plastic shield carefully and test the terminals again for 0 voltage. Use insulated screwdrivers and wear dry gloves to reduce shock risk. If replacing elements, match wattage and thread type exactly. Use a properly sized socket and snug to manufacturer torque to prevent leaks without cracking the tank port. When replacing thermostats, photograph wire positions first. Confirm the high limit reset button is seated, and ensure firm contact against the tank surface for accurate temperature sensing. Before restoring power, close the drain, open the cold valve, open several hot faucets, and wait until a full stream of water flows with no sputtering so the tank and elements are completely submerged. 3 common mistakes cause most headaches. People restore power while the tank is empty or still full of air pockets, which burns out elements instantly. Avoid that by running hot faucets until the flow is steady and quiet. Then wait a few extra minutes to be sure the tank is full. Many skip the voltage check after flipping the breaker, but mislabeled panels are common. Always test at the heater wires and both element terminals with a known working tester. Folks often set thermostats too high, chasing more hot water, which invites scalding and higher bills. Set both thermostats to about 120 degrees and balance upper and lower equally. Then improve recovery by flushing sediment twice a year instead of overheating the water. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easy to find nearby contractors for jobs like water heater service, and to help homeowners compare listings, reviews, and project details in one place. We also help contractors get discovered by local customers, and we host a friendly discussion community where homeowners and pros trade tips, troubleshoot issues, and share real project experiences.